Some of guys were asking me about the reference system, guys. There are so many reference systems, so many type of reference system, but we have 3 position reference system on this vessel.
So Vandemataram guys, this is Avinash Singh here again, and today we will be talking about position reference systems. So guys, radius consists of two things. There are interrogators and transponders. Okay, so these four are the interrogators which is placed on the monkey island on each corner of the vessel, which can cover 180 degree forward and 180 degree aft. It means total 360 degree. And the transponder placed on the offshore installation. So this interrogator consists of various sophisticated systems like antenna. It catches the signal transferred by the transponder and it shows the range and bearing. And that is how we come to know the exact position, because by range and bearing we got a fix, and from that we come to know about the vessel position. So guys, this is the size scan. It works on the principle of laser type. The difference between red eye scan and size scan, like red eye scan, as the name says, it work on the principle of radar. Like it's sending some waves and catching it, and that is how it computing the actual range and bearing. But in case of size scan, it have one laser system placed on the monkey island, which rotates 360 degree and transmits the laser light, which is catched by reflector or prism. This reflector and prism are placed on the installation, so it catches by there, and that is how we are getting range and bearing. It is very simple and very good system. This I personally like this size scan, spot track. The principle are same, the laser type system. So that is how we are getting the range and bearing, and through range and bearing we are getting the fix, and from the fix we come to know how much distance the vessel have from that particular installation. You can see
79.7 meter and the bearing is 179.9. so that is how we are getting range and bearing. It means we are getting one fix, and that fix according to this is our vessel position. So these two, and the third one is DGPS. DGPS is the most important. You can see here we have selected now GPS 1, GPS 2, size scan. Radius we have not selected because the radius transducer is obstructed by the crane. So whenever we are selecting, it is giving alarm. I can show you. See, I am just selecting it, and you will see this alarm is coming. So we are acknowledging it not in tracking mode. It means that is obstructed by something. Okay, I am showing you the prism. What is prism and which type of it is. Okay, yeah, good thing is that you can see this also, guys. We don't have light here or what. Anyways, we have this light.
So guys, you can see this is the radius transponder. So basically this is the thing what we placed on the rig, and this is the thing which sends the wave which is caught by the interrogator placed on the monkey island, and that is how we are getting it.
And guys, this is the prism. This is the prism. You can see inside of it this is the lens, and inside of it there are so many, I don't know what is this, and these structure are making a prism. This prism are catching the laser signal and sending it back, and that is how we are getting bearing and position. So this is the spare prism we have. So guys, that is how we are doing operation in DP system. The most important thing is redundancy. If I will be talking about DP2 and DP3 vessel, DP1 vessel, they don't have redundancy. Redundancy means you can understand like it is a duplicacy. Like if one system got failed, you must have another system to be ready to replace that failed system. So that is basically on the base of duplicacy. We can call it redundancy. That's why we have various things like various PRS, position reference system, and various communication system, various DP monitoring system. So that is how, like, if one side also fail, we have twin propeller, twin thruster, everything is doubled. So one side fail, the another side must come and replace that system, so that because we are working in very close proximity of the rig or platform. So if we fail, and if the vessel will be in blow-on situation means because of environmental condition, automatically vessel will blow towards the installation. Okay, so blow-on condition is very dangerous. So if anything fails, the vessel will automatically go towards the installation. If blow off, still okay. If blow off, everything fail, the vessel will go away from the installation. So here, if in case blow-on situation, if something happens, the vessel will automatically go towards the installation, and a very serious thing it can happen. So to make it clear, or to reduce this type of situation, or to minimize this type of risk, we have DP2 and DP3 vessels with extra redundancy, with extra safety precaution, with extra duplicacy. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. I'll be making some more regarding some more things about the DP. तब तक के लिए वंदे मातरम.